First question was, which of the following divisible by 3? Yes, ये सबसे सिंपल क्वेश्चन में एक था आपको. Sum of the digits must be divisible by 3, so the number must be divisible by 3. 15, obviously, divided by 3. 9, 12, 4. So only this is the option, not divisible by 3. Second, under root of 17 plus 4 root 13 minus under root of 17 minus 4 root 13, right? And we have to just find value of x on this, right? चलो आज मौका मिला है तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कुछ different ways में we can do something. Right? Method first. Value of this within the under root. A square plus B square plus 2AB. The formula will be root 3 plus 2 the whole square. Is in the under root. So from this we'll get, and from other we are getting root 13 minus 2. Right? Answer we are getting as 4. This is the first method. Second method, 17 plus 4 root 13 under root, let this is equal to a plus root b. Squaring both sides, you are getting root b. And the square of this is 17 plus 4 root 13. So this a square plus b is 17 and 2a under root b is 2 root 13. From this we can compare this. A square plus b is a is equal to 2, b is equal to root 13. So again the same thing. Means from this we can say like b is only 13. Under root to पहले से मैंने लिया ही हुआ था, right? Second method. Third, look into this. X is equal to under root of 17 plus 4 root 13 minus under root of 17 minus 4 root 13, right? Squaring both sides. X square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2, 289 minus 16 into 13. X square is equal to 34 minus 2 into 16 into 13 is 208, right? Means this will be 81 under root is 9. 18 is given as 16 to x is equal to plus minus 4. But we know that this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, and this is greater than this one. So answer is only 4, not minus 4. 3 methods were there आप जिससे भी करना चाहते थे आपके लिए वो बेस्ट मेथड होता, आंसर आना तो तीनों में ही था। इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और मेथड देखना चाहोगे आप लोग? सी मेथड 4, राइट। हर चीज आपके पास है, थोड़े से केवल चीजों को चेंज कैसे कर पाते हो अपने अप्रोच को, राइट। मैंने जो मेथड बताया था वो तो यूज ही नहीं किया, वो फॉर्मूला था अंडर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस b बाई 2, राइट, प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ a माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस b बाई 2, एंड माइनस के लिए बीच में माइनस आ जाने थे। आई गेस काफी लोगों ने इस फॉर्मूले से किया होगा। वेट, व्हाई नॉट वी गो फॉर द फिफ्थ फॉर्मूला? मान लो हमें कुछ भी ना आता, फिर भी बहुत सारी चीजें आ सकती है, राइट। फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी को मैंने लिया, इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है, मैं इसे a माइनस बी लिखा, राइट, जो मुझे चाहिए। a का मतलब हो गया मींस a स्क्वायर का मतलब हो गया 17 प्लस 4 रूट 13, b स्क्वायर का मतलब हो गया 17 माइनस 4 रूट 13, राइट। अगर मैं दोनों को ऐड कर दूं तो आई एम गेटिंग a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर। ये मेथड को देखना, मजा आ जाएगा, राइट। अगर दोनों को मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं तो a स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर, अभी तुरंत आपके पास मिला था, दैट वाज 81, तो ए बी की वैल्यू आ गई 9। पार्डन, कुछ बोला किसी ने? ओके, सॉरी। See, this value I'm saying this 17 plus 4 under root 13 is a square and 17 minus 4 root 13 is b square. So under root of a square is a only, under root of b square is b only, and we are putting the values of a square and b square. So I'm getting a square is equal to 17 plus 4 this, and b square is 17 minus 4 of this, right? If I'll add 1 and 2, I'm getting a square plus b square is 34, and if I'll multiply both the terms a square into b square, I'm getting 81, but both the numbers are positive. Then we are writing a b is equal to 9. Is it okay, Ethan? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But ultimately, what I have to find? I have to find a minus b. And we know that if we have two results, one is a square plus b square, that's given as 34, and ab is 9. And now with the help of these two values, or these two, like we have to use the formula and we have to find value of a minus b, and we know that a minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a square plus b square is 34 minus 18, again getting as 16, and a and b are positive and a is greater than b, so I'm getting as 4. How about this one? See, for one question you have more than 3-4 methods, right? So go with one by one, right? The first one, how many of you are liking the first one? Yes, give me yes. How many of you are liking the first one? Aman? Not many. And this is a fantastic method. Only you have to use the mental calculation, and directly you can write down the answer for this, right? How many you like the second one? Very good, Asmi. This second method is very much useful for cube roots. When you have to find the cube roots now, this is very much important, right? If you are using that formula with the cube root, 100% you'll be able to crack the question, right? Third method, Third is again a very good method. Right? With a very, very, very simple method, you are getting the answer. But you have to be careful, like both the answers you are getting plus and minus 4, but since this is positive, and this value is greater than this one, so 100% this answer must be positive. That's the reason I'm writing 4. And the fourth one, the formula. Good, good, good. And the last one, the fifth one. Okay, okay. So for any question, you have different method, and then you can solve by different methods, right? Okay, now going for the next one. Again, the question in different form. It's given as 4 plus root 15 is in the under root plus 4 minus root 15 the under root minus twice of under root of 3 minus root 5. Right? Any idea about this? Anyone can help me on this? Manas, very good. Use the formula, one of the method. Very good. Method 4. What was that method? Acha, formula. Atharva. Very good. I don't like, really I don't like formula. Sorry, but from that you are getting under root 5 by 2 plus under root 3 by 2. Second under root 5 by 2 minus under root of 3 by 2. Or separately now you can solve. Separately you can solve this one. Take x as this one and squaring both sides you will get the answer, and that will be twice of this, means root 10 for the first one. This much you are solving and getting the answer as under root 10, right? What about this one? Now we have to solve that also. So again you can take x and squaring both sides, and again you'll get this. Right, minus twice of 3, or we can rewrite this as 6 minus 2 root 5 by root 2 is in the under root. This will be root 5 minus 1 by root 2. Root 5 minus 1 by root 2. So root 2 and root 10 cancel out. This is minus minus plus 2 by root 2. So you are getting the answer root 2 only. Right, the next one. Next is 19081A is divisible by 11, right? Divisible by 11. Then 1, 2, 3, 9 plus 17 plus 8, 1, 0, 1 minus 2 will be divisible by 11. So this will be 0 or 11 or 22, 33 and so on. Any number, right? Either this must be 0 or the multiple of 11. So this is 15 plus a. And what would be the value of a? So this will match with the multiple of 11. So obviously
7.
7. Very good. Right. Done. Has been noted.
Yes, sir.
Go for this one, right? And the third one. A is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3, 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 find value of 3 by a plus 3 by a square plus 1 by a cube. I'm giving you time for 2-3 minutes, right? Go for this. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Give me the idea what you have done.
So we can shift one to the LHS and then cube.
Very good. Whose voice is this?
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi, very good.
Sir, we can even take A to RHS now.
Just raise your hand now, so that will be easier for everyone. Right? Atharva, you want to say? The first method, Vaishnavi is suggesting that why not do one thing, a minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power, right? 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 and cubic both sides. Wow, great. Very good method. This is the first method, right? Okay, see, there's the exam side. So before exam, I was teaching like, okay, you have to know one method. Just like right now, you have passed from class 10 and just you are passing from class 10 and going to class 11. So I don't want to put pressure on you or push you. Like you have to think. But after exam, I can discuss this. Okay, I can solve one question by various method. This is one of the method. So maybe you are able to solve this by one method or two method, and maybe it would be like 2, 3, 4, 5 methods, right? So this is one of the wonderful question. So just I'm trying to just get into that, how to solve the question, right? The first Vaishnavi is suggesting why not cubing both sides. So okay, a cube minus 3 square 3a plus minus 1 is equal to a cube 4 plus b cube 2 plus 3 a into b into a plus b is nothing but a minus 1. I guess you're getting the answer. 6 times a. So this is a cube minus 3a square minus 6a minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6. So I'm getting, I guess, a cube is equal to 1 plus 3a square plus this minus 3 and plus 3a. This is 3, right? 3a. So dividing this by a cube. So 1 by a cube plus 3 by a square plus 3 by a. So you are getting a 1, I guess, something like this. This is the first method. Very good, Vaishnavi, right? And anyone else? Just raise your hand, please.
So we can use the formula of a cube plus b.
Raise your hand, please. This is the first method, right? Second. Manas, please help me. A is equal to 1 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3. Yes, beta.
Sir, we can take a to the LHS and a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3.
Very good. The same method in different way. Very good, beta. If this, I love this method. With a basic, very basic formula, we are able to crack the question in like in a very like hero style, right? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube 3abc. Again, the same result you are getting, right? Third, anyone else want to do something? Right. Third method. No? See. See. What we can do, I'll add 1 both sides. Is it okay? Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And taking out 2 to the power 1 by 3 common. What I'm getting? 2 to the power 1 by 3 from this, the first one. This is 2 to the power 2 by 3. This will be 2 to the power 1 by 3 and 1. And this is nothing but a only. Right? So dividing by this a, I'm getting 1 plus 1 by a is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. Cubing both sides, 1 plus 1 by a cube, 3 by a square, 3 by a is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. You are getting the answer. I've used the same number and getting the result in different style. Note down, please. It's okay. Done. Now, so every time you'll get something good, and obviously, right, you have to be careful on this part. Like how to crack this, right? The next one. I don't think it divisible by 11 is a big deal or something. Yes, you have to solve. No? Nine plus twice of 1 plus root 3, 1 plus root 7 is in under root. Right? So we can rewrite this as 9 plus twice of 1 plus root 3 plus root 7 plus root 21. Or multiplying by 2, I'm getting 2 plus 9 plus 2, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 7 plus 2 root 21. So it's a 11 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 7 plus 2 root 3 into root 7. Right? So we can just judge this. This is nothing but this. The next was, I guess, we should not go for this one. Right, this question. Okay, this is nothing but root 5 plus root 3. This is root 5 minus root 3. Root 3 cancel out, this is 2 root 5. Only. Right? Fx is a polynomial when I'm not writing the question, just guiding, dividing by x minus 1 leaves the remainder 2 and fx is equal to x minus 2 f2x plus 4 leaves the remainder 4. Then find when it is divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus b, right? Okay. So if I'll put the value as 1, f1 is 2, right? So f1 is 2. So a plus b is equal to 2. बेटा ये संडे को आप लोगों को पेपर सभी को मिल जाएगा ना. A plus b is equal to 2. At 2 this will be 4. So 2a plus b is 4. Solving this, minus minus minus, minus a is equal to minus 2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0. I guess something like this.
So ये फिर से बताओ ना.
What is the problem in this? क्या problem हुई?
So second step.
Second step. This one, this one, this one.
No sir, इसके ऊपर वाला.
ये तो first जैसा वही second है ना? The first है ना same ना. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कोई भी fx को if you are dividing by x minus 1, you are getting the remainder 2. Similarly, the same fx when divided by x minus 2, you are getting the remainder 4. So we are writing, जैसे कोई होता है तेरे पास एक ही रहा मान लो कोई एक मैंने fx का मतलब होता है बड़ा सा पॉलिनोमियल होना, राइट? उसको मैंने डिवाइड कर दिया, लेट्स सपोज x -3 से, तो जब डिवाइड करूंगा x -3 से, तो यहाँ भी कुछ मान लो gx रहा होगा, पूरा gx यहाँ पुट रहा होगा, फिर यहाँ पर कुछ बचा होगा, वो कुछ कांस्टेंट बचा होगा, मान लो मैंने लैम्डा बोल दिया, तो ये एग्जैक्टली ये रहता है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but x -3 into gx plus lambda. This must be equal to fx, right? Yes. अगर कुछ गड़बड़ होगा इसके ऑप्शन में, तो you'll get the bonus on that. No problem. ये होता है, right? It's okay now?
Yes, sir.
Right? So A and B. And the same with the second one, right? Same, the question is same, so I'm not discussing that one, right? Next is sine 233 degree plus sine 127 degree, right? So 0, I guess. 180 plus 53 degree and 180 minus 53 degree. So sine 180 plus theta and sine 180 minus theta, right? This will be minus sine theta, this will be plus sine theta. Directly you are getting this, right? Next is angles are dividing the ratio 3, 4, 5. 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. 12x is equal to 180 degree, right? X is equal to 15 degree. And certainly you can find the numbers, right? Next was, these are a very simple question, right? Cos square 9 degree plus cos square 18 degree plus cos square 27 degree up to cos square 90 degree, right? Cos 90 is 0 and cos square 81 is sine square, right? So 9 degree and 81 degree is 1. Similarly, 18 degree with combination 72 degree is 1, 27 and 54 जो भी है, 63 will be 1 and 36 and 54 will be 1 and एक बच गया cos square 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus this will be 1 by 2, 9 by 2. Raise your hand. Raise your hand, please. Yes, Shani?
Sir, can you please explain again?
Yes, just a minute. Cos square 9 degree, cos square 18 degree, cos square 27 degree, cos square 36 degree. 45 को छोड़ देता हूँ ना, अलग से लिख दूंगा. Cos square 54 degree, cos square 63 degree, cos square 72 degree, cos square 81 degree. See, cos square 81 is same as sin square 81 degree. Cos square 72 is same as sin square 9 degree. Cos square 72 is same as sin square 18 degree. Cos square 63 is same as sin square 27 degree. And cos square 54 is same as sin square 36 degree. If I'm converting all this into this, so what is the sum? 1, 1, 1, 1, right? And 1 was left, that was cos square 45 degree. Right? So cos 45 is 1. What is the value of cos 45?
1 by root 2.
And the square of that is?
1 by 2.
Just applying that. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. 64. Theta is equal to L by R. The value of L is given as 1 and R is given as 3, 1 by 3. Right. Next. Many one did. many question of this cos cube theta upon sin theta plus cos theta plus sin cube theta minus cos cube theta upon sin theta minus cos theta, right? Use the basic formula of a cube plus b cube. A plus b will be cancelled out. A square plus b square means sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. Similarly, this will be sin square theta cos minus sin theta. This will be minus and this will be plus. ये दोनों cancel हो गए. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Very simple. ठीक है? Okay.
सर
Next.
कैसे आया वो?
कौन सा बेटा? कौन सा?
साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन.
ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? What is the
हाँ
formula?
सर.
हाँ, ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब.
a प्लस बी ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस ए.
ठीक है ना? तो a प्लस बी तो नीचे वाले से कैंसिल हो गया, बचा a स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी. तो a क्या था? साइन थीटा. b क्या था? कॉस थीटा. तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा. नहीं?
हाँ सर.
So this will be 1 minus sin theta cos theta, and this is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. 1 is in the plus and 1 is in the minus, so cancelling out both sin theta cos theta. So 1 plus 1, 2 is the answer.
Okay sir.
Okay. Next, sin 15 degree plus cos 15 degree. कई मेथड्स हो सकते हैं, like you can rewrite this sin 60 minus 45 and whatever, right? Or multiply this by root 2 and divide by root 2. So this is root 2 cos 45 sin 15 plus sin 45 cos 15. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B will be sin A plus B. So root 2 sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 under root 3 by 2. Okay. This one is the simplest question. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Theta not lies in the first quadrant. तो या तो second quadrant में है या third quadrant में या fourth quadrant में. तो क्योंकि tan theta positive है तो third ही quadrant पे होगा, right? तो इस समय sin theta की वैल्यू हो जाएगी -3 by 5. Cos theta की वैल्यू हो जाएगी -4 by 5. Now what you have to find? Sin 90 plus theta जो कि cos theta होता है minus cot pi minus theta जो plus cot theta हो जाएगा upon tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta. तो पॉजिटिव नहीं रहेगा बट cot में चेंज हो जाएगा माइनस cos theta. सबकी वैल्यूज यहाँ पुट कर दो. cot theta की वैल्यू है 4 by 3. Okay. Okay. Right. And this is tan square alpha plus tan square beta plus tan square gamma is equal to 0. Sum of square of three numbers will be 0, means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to n pi. Maybe 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. So we have to find value of sec alpha plus sec beta plus sec gamma, right? If all are 0, then this will be 3. If 1 is pi, 2 are 0, so this is 1. If 2 -1 and 1, 1. So this is -1. All -1, this will be -3. You have 4 options. I guess what is given. Right? -1 is given there too. I'll go for -1. Is it okay now? Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Next. Again, 37 minus 20 root 3 is in the under root is equal to x minus y root 3. The value of x and y. Right? This is 2 into 10 into root 3. Right, so we can rewrite this as 5 into 2 root 3. 5 square is 25 and root 2 root 3 square is 12. So obviously, this will be which one is greater. So accordingly, we can use the formula on that.
So can you explain the last question again?
This one.
So tan
This
square
one.
alpha plus tan square beta plus tan square gamma equal to 0.
What is the problem in that?
Sir, I'm not getting how did you get the 4 options 3, 1, -1, minus.
If I'm saying tan alpha is equal to 0, what is the value of alpha? If I'm writing tan alpha is equal to 0, what is the value of alpha?
0.
Alpha is equal to 0. Why pi is not possible?
90 degree, no, undefined.
Yes,
Yeah.
pi is also possible.
Right? 2 pi is possible or not?
10, 90.
2 pi 360 degrees possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3 pi is possible or not?
180 barabar.
Right? So alpha is equal to, I'm saying anything in n pi. Right? If alpha is odd multiple of pi, then sec alpha will be -1. If alpha is, if this is for odd, na? Odd multiple of pi. If this will be even multiple of pi, so sec alpha is equal to 1. Right? So we don't have any idea if this is the odd multiple of or the even multiple. If all the three are even multiple, so all will give the answer 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1 this, 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. ये 4 केस होंगे ना?
Sir.
So from this you are getting 3, from this you are getting 1, from this minus 1, from this minus 3. So all you are getting may be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Next. So the next one is 5 plus 2 root 6 under root plus 5 minus 2 root 6 under root. So this is root 3, 2 root 3. I guess direct. Huh? Next is tan pi by 4 plus theta and tan pi by 4 minus theta. So this tan pi by 4 minus theta is nothing but cot pi by 4 plus theta. Both will be cancelled out. Answer is 1. Right? And this is okay now. A plus B is given as pi. Applying cot A plus cot B upon cot A cot B minus 1 is equal to 1. Right. Put the value. You're getting that. And the last one again. Simple thing. You can cancel out that. Right. So this is all about your 25 questions. Right. What you feel, how many you got correct, right? Write down in the chat. Write down in the chat. How much you feel Correct out of 25. Waiting. Yes. Very good. And write down everyone what you feel. जो होगा वो तो होगा ही ना. Write down everyone. Very good, yeah. Most of you got the very good. Very good. If you are getting less, then also write then how much you are getting. ये तो सबने अच्छे वाले लिख दिए अपने. अरे खराब वाले भी तो चाहिए. Okay. That's, I guess. Tomorrow and after tomorrow you have PTM, right? And this PTM will be for 1-to-1. Every student will be there with your parents, right? So you can discuss anything you want. It's okay, no problem. This was the first test. You have to know how to go for the online test and how to just crack the test and all, right? Now after this test, so okay. Now shall we start? आगे बढ़े हैं. Last class में, last to last class in fact, okay. Last to last class में we did was polynomials, right? मैंने कुछ बोला था कि last में you have to remember me like from where we have to start or something?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, now starting, right? So once again, I'm starting from the basic of that only, right? So I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes time, right? Go and revise that. We'll start from that point only. Start.
वो रूट 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 होता था ना 2 वाला
अच्छा वो मैंने डिस्कस नहीं किया क्या?
नहीं
√2 plus √2 plus √2 up to infinite na minus √2 √2 infinite, right? This one.
यस सर
So this value is 2, this value is 2, so 2 minus 2 0.
सर ये कैसे आता है एक बार बताओ ना दोनों वाला दोनों का अलग अलग होगा ना
First one, this one, x is equal to √2 plus √2 plus, right? And going on up to infinity, right? √2 plus, right? So I'm saying, except this, I can take this as x. So x is equal to √2 plus x. Squaring both sides to x square, transferring this. So x plus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. We know that under root is a positive quantity, so x is equal to 2. So value of this will be 2, right? And for the second one, let again y is equals to √2. I'm writing this as y. So 2y squaring both sides. Y square is equal to 2y. Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Two solution we are getting, but we have 2 something. So y is equal to 0 is not possible. So y is equal to 2. So both the numbers are coming as 2 and 2. So this will be 0. Okay.
सर आपने लास्ट में क्या क्रॉस किया
0 ko. Y is not equal to 0. If you have something like this, na, y square, see this thing. Y square minus 2y is equal to 0. Y into y minus 2 is equal to 0. This may be 0, this may be 0. So either y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 2. Right? But y is equal to 0 is not possible because positive under root will be positive something. Right? So we have to cancel out that. Okay.
ओके सर
Anyone want to ask anything? जो last में पढ़ाया था, just go through that. Then we will start.
सर आप लास्ट वाला स्लाइड एक और बार दिखा सकते हो क्या?
Pardon, बेटा.
सर
समझ-
लास्ट वाला स्लाइड वापस आप एक बार दिखा दो. सर हो गया समझ गया सर.
Hmm. See. You have to write down, right? You copy. Only for the shaded portion. Open means open bracket, close means close bracket. What you'll write down this in number line system or with brackets. Open and close brackets. Try this. 2 minutes, more than enough for this question. Then I'll start.
सर ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन में नंबर लाइन गलत लग रही है.
हाँ, नंबर चेंज कर दूं. वेरी गुड. 3 4 के आगे कैसे आ गया? वेरी ट्रू.
Done, sir.
Yes, all fine. Check. Number लिखोगे ना? How many you have corrected? Like if 5 correct, then write down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, right?
सर लास्ट वाले में हम लोग लिख सकते हैं -∞ to -4 यूनियन -1 से 10 और फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे कर्ली
good.
ब्रैकेट में 6.
चलेगा. Not bad. Okay. Ah, very good. All 5. Shaswat, very good. Asmi, which one is wrong? Uday, very good. Chinmay, very good. Aditya, very good. Subham, very good. Jebel, which one is wrong? Aska. Okay. Okay. Aman. Vineet. Careful. These are simple questions. Careful. Okay. One more time we are going, right? Yes. Jani.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you please explain the third one?
Third one. -∞ to 3. See, I guess bit change in this, right? Shaded portion is this one going to -∞. So this is -∞ to 0, right? Then union 3 to 5, 3 open, 5 closed, union 10 to infinity, 10 close, infinity open. -∞ to 0, 3 to 5, 10 to infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
See the next 5 question, right?
Sir, for the fifth one, can we write -1 and 10?
Except you can write -1 and 10, but you have to write down this is negation sign, minus of 6, This also you have to write, right? Do it fast. This will be what did this do? Very good. अच्छा बनाया. 2 union 6 to infinity -6 -3 union -3 -2 again -6 से -2 लेके you can remove -3 union 5 to infinity again -10 to 0 subtract -5 union 7 to infinity -infinity to 1 union 2 to 3 union 4 to infinity. Right? All four, I guess, everyone. right? So this how to write down the number line system. Now in the number line system, if something is written, how to write down in mathematical term. Anyone having any problem regarding this, please ask.
So please explain the third one again.
What is the problem you are facing?
Sir, like if you see for the second question, why can't we write minus 10 to minus 5 and then union minus 5 to 0? Why are you subtracting it?
In both way you can write na. You can say
That one is correct?
both are correct. I said na कि both are correct. In this way you can write or this way you can write. Both are correct.
Oh, okay, sir.
Union means in maths you say plus na. In set theory we use union. Ki solution this or or this. Both are possible cases, right? Okay. Right. So only you have to be careful with your right shaded portion and the conditions, right? And with the condition and shaded portion, just you have to take care of that, where the shaded portion will go and how the shaded portion you have to do, right? Again, I'm doing this.
सर फिर से करना है
Yes. Do it fast. Very good. Done, everyone. Fast, 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 fast. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute only. Very good. Done. See. Minus infinity to 2. Union 6 to infinity. Negation minus 3. Or you can write minus infinity to minus 3. Union minus 3 set to union 6 to infinity. In both the way we can write. Minus 6 to minus 3. Union 2 to 5. Right? Minus 10 to minus 5. Union 0 to 7. Minus infinity to 1. Union 0 to 4. Sorry, 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 3 included here, so not required to hide that. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many of you got this? All 4? Wow.
Sir, second वाला बताओ ना.
Sir, in third one, infinity will come.
वही सर थर्ड में इन्फिनिटी तक जाना चाहिए
Yes.
ना.
Yes, sir.
Sir, second वाला.
Sir, in second, 3 is also included, minus 3.
Sir, 3 के बाद close होना चाहिए ना.
Yes. After 3 this will be closed. ऊपर नीचे मिक्स हुआ. ये ऊपर नहीं close हुआ. Okay, everyone. So now this is the number line, right? Now, how to reach to this number line? You know how to write down, but now we have to reach up to this, right? See, x minus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole to the power 5 upon x minus 6 to the power 7 greater than equal to 0. Careful, everyone, right? So what you have to do, make a number line. Now mark the numbers. If it is even number of times, you have to write down twice. If it is odd number of times, you have to write down once. If this having odd number times means power is odd, then you have to write down once. If it is in the numerator and it's containing the equality sign, then you have to mark this as this. In denominator, always this will be open. First, what you have to do, even power 2 times, odd powers 1 time. Second, equality sign in numerator use closed, right? Third, in denominator it's always open. ये 3 बात पहले note down, then we'll proceed.
सर नहीं समझा, फिर से बताओ ना।
क्या नहीं समझा?
ये तीनों पॉइंट्स।
अगर इवन नंबर, इवन पावर होंगे जो भी नंबर्स गिवन है उसके, तो उसे 2 बार लिख देना, राइट? अगर ऑड पावर होंगे तो उसको सिर्फ 1 बार लिखना। फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट आई हैव रिटन दैट वन, if greater than equal to में equality sign is given, so in the numerator you have to just write down the close, वो fill कर देना, right? In denominator always it will be open, and if यहाँ पर ये वाले साइन में केवल ग्रेटर देन रहता तो सब के सब ओपन होते। क्लियर है रुजबा? इज इट ओके रुजबा?
सर वो आपने क्या बोला, 2 बार लिखना है 1 बार लिखना है, वो नहीं समझा मुझे।
बोलो तो 2 बार लिखना, तो इवन पावर है तो 2 बार लिखना, 1 1 2 बार लिखा, ऑड पावर है तो सिर्फ 1 बार 3 और 6 को लिखा। x-1 में इवन पावर है ना, 2 है, 2000 है, 2012 है, जब भी इवन पावर है तो राइट टाइम ट्वाइस, 2 बार 1 1 यहाँ पर लिख दिया, यहाँ 0 हो रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
यहाँ 0 होता है 1 पर 0 होता है, यहाँ पर 2 बार 1 1 लिख दिया। ये 0 3 पर हो रहा है बट ऑड पावर है तो 1 ही बार लिखा। ये x-6 है, ऑड पावर, ये नंबर ऑड इवन उससे नहीं, पावर क्या है, पावर ऑड है तो 1 ही बार लिखा।
सर वो लिखने से क्या होगा?
पढ़ेंगे ना अभी, पहले लिख तो।
सर वन मोर एग्जांपल।
हाँ
एक और एग्जांपल।
नहीं बेटा अभी एग्जांपल नहीं, अभी तो ये कंप्लीट ही नहीं किया, अभी तो आपकी थ्योरी बना रहा हूँ कि क्या करना उसके लिए। पहले okay, done everyone?
Yes.
Now see, 6 के आगे का 4th step, right? You have to put any number greater than 6, right? Greater than 6. So in every x we are putting greater than 6. So this will be positive, positive, positive. So this number will start with positive. At 6 this will be 0. Then it will change the sign. This having the odd power, so it will change the sign. This having the odd power, so it will change the sign. But at even power, this will be same. Right? Even power, this will be same. That's the reason we have to take care of that. It's coming even number of time or odd number of time. That's the reason we are writing, if this having even power, we are writing two times. For odd power, we are writing 1 time. For every odd power, it will cross. It will cross if it is positive. So it will cross to negative. It's negative, then it will cross to positive. But for even power, if it's positive, then it will be positive. It is negative, then it will be negative. So this is the number line. And now we can make the number line. So this is the number line we are making for this, right? So what the number line is coming, see, next page. What the number line is coming, right? One number was 1, other number was 1, 3, and 6, right? 1, 3, and 6, close, close. 1, 3, and 6, closed. Yes, I did. And yes, I did. 6 में I think open था. 6 में open,
yes, sir,
and 3 पर closed, right? 6 पे open and 3 पर closed, right? ये मेरा नंबर लाइन. अब दोनों को मर्ज करने की बात आई, right? ये नंबर लाइन मेरा बन गया. Now we have to write down answer. I'm writing -∞ to 3 union 6 to infinity. So the 4 steps are there. You have to be carefully connect all the way, right? This is known as wavy curve method, right? In this wavy curve method, you have to make the wave, and the wave will go accordingly. Like you have to see the power of the factors. If this having even power, it will not change. If it is positive, it will be positive. If it is negative, it will be negative. If this having odd power, it will change. Okay, everyone, note down, please.
सर ये वेव कैसे बना एक और बार बता सकते हैं?
क्या wave जैसा क्या?
वो वेव मतलब कैसे वो नीचे से मतलब ऊपर से नीचे गया देन ऊपर एक और बार.
ये पॉजिटिव था, यहाँ ऑड पावर है तो इट हैज टू चेंज, तो वो चेंज कर गया. 3 पर भी ऑड पावर है, एक ही बार है मतलब ऑड पावर है, फिर चेंज कर गया. 2 2 बार लिखा है, इवन पावर है, तो जहां था वो उधर ही रह गया. राइट?
यस सर.
योर टर्न. x minus 1, x minus 6, x minus 3
Sir,
upon
4th point.
2 is 5, 4, 7, 11. This is 4. Greater than equal to 0. Try this. Okay, see. First, we'll make the sign scale, starting with the sign scale, number line. In the number line, 1 having odd power 1 time, 6 having even power 2 times, 3 having odd power, 2 having odd power, this, right? 2 open, right? And everything closed, closed, closed. Now put any value. Always start from right now, and it's not necessary to, it will always start with positive. In few questions it may be starting from all positive, but every time you have to check. Greater than 6, it's positive, then even power positive, then going to negative, positive, negative. we require the positive greater than equal to 0. This is greater than equal to 0. Right? So now we can start with 1 to 2, 1 close, 2 open, union 3 to 6, or directly we can write 3 to infinity, 3 close, infinity, always open. Or we can write 1 to 2, 3 to 6, union 6 to infinity. Right, it may be this is open or this is open, then this one be closed. Right, if this is open, right, this has to be closed. Right, or the better answer is this one. How many of you got the right answer? Please write down yes in the chat box.
So we can write 3 to infinity, right?
Yeah, 3 closed. Very good, very good. Almost. How many of you not getting the right answer? Please write no now. Anyone? So, like, I'm understanding this key. Everyone is now understanding this. So let's start with a few more. X plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 1. Only x means x is at 0, right? X minus 5, 7, 10, 11, 6, 7, less than equal to 0. This time less than equal to 0. Start. Done. See. Make a number line. -1, 0 twice, 1 one time, 2 two times, 5 one time. Put any value greater than 5. Put any value greater than 5. Positive, 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 positive. Overall positive. So negative, negative, positive, negative. See, open, closed, open, open.
So ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव में थोड़ा ये हो रहा है मेरे पास, ऊपर से पॉजिटिव है, इसमें फिर से करो।
क्या 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 बोल के निकल दिया दूर? क्या बोला बेटा?
सर मतलब वो ऊपर से मतलब 5 के पहले मतलब पॉजिटिव देन नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, इसमें थोड़ा सा एक और बार
सुनना ध्यान से ना, कोई बहुत ही सिंपल है, देखना। ऑड पावर होगा ना, जब एक बार लिखा है मैं तो पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव में वो क्रॉस करेगा। 5 के आगे यू आर सेइंग कि दिस इज पॉजिटिव, राइट? At 5 this has to cross because only one time you are writing 5, right? But at
Yes,
2 it will
yes.
not cross, so it is in the negative side. But again 1, what you'll say, it will cross or not at 1? Do.
Yes.
And at 0 it will cross or not?
Not
100%
positive,
not, and then again cross,
negative.
right? And this is open and close. Is it okay? Now this is positive,
No,
negative,
sir.
negative, positive, positive, negative. Right, Haripriya, what is the problem, Bicha?
So then what is the use of that this x plus 1 to the power 7, this is less than equal to 0 or greater than equal to 0? Then what is the use of that sign?
I'm not able to understand. Please ask again.
Sir, it is given that x plus 1 to the power 7, x minus 2 to the power 10, this whole equation, it is less than or equal to 0. So sir, then what we have to do with this sign? Because if it is less than or
First,
equal to 0 or greater than equal to 0.
Just a minute. You have to say कि this whole quantity, when this whole quantity will be less than equal to 0, means either negative or 0. The question is something like this only, na?
Yes, sir.
You made the number line system. Now, what we have to do, we have to see when this will be either negative or equal to 0. Right? Only we have to see when this will be negative, means it's coming below this line, or the graph below this line, or equality sign, right? Is it okay? So
yes,
it's coming as minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to 5. This is the answer for you. Why? Because they are asking when this will be less than equal to 0. If this question would be greater than equal to 0, then we have to see when this will be positive. So all the positive sign means this thing, and at that time that would be the answer. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. So sir, it is necessary that whatever the question is given, then we have to mark this wave from positive only.
No, we have to, not necessary. We have to check every time you are checking that. You have to check it's coming positive or negative. If it's coming positive, then mark positive. If it's coming negative, then mark negative. And then alternatively change the sign. And if even power, it will not change the sign.
And sir, how we will check that whether it is negative or positive?
Put any value greater than 5. In this case, you have put any value greater than 5.
Yes, sir.
Let 100. So 100 plus 1 is positive. 100 minus 2 is positive, positive, positive. Everything is positive. That's the reason I'm writing for greater than 5, it's positive.
Okay, sir.
100% positive, 100% okay?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Sir,
It's...
I have a doubt.
Sir.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, why you have taken means a -1 and not minus, means there are -1 plus 1. There is -2, but you have taken 2.
x minus 2 is equal to 0, to what you are getting? X is equal to
2.
2. That's the reason I have written 2. For
Then
this
x
value,
minus 1.
the x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have written this x is equal to minus 1. For this value, we have written 1 here only. For x is equal to 0 here, or x is equal to 5, you are written there only, na?
Okay. I have taken it wrong. Thank you, sir.
You reverse plus and minus 1. And if it in the denominator, that will be always open. So at 1, at 0, at 5, this is open, but it's just containing the equality sign. So at minus 1 and 2, this will be closed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I repeat?
Where beta?
That is close bracket.
Close in the numerator part. If there is a equality sign, then it will be closed. But denominator part is always open. Denominator, these numbers will be always open. So 1, 0, and 5, this is always open. But minus 1 and 2, this is closed because there is an equality sign.
Okay, sir, got it.
Always you have to check the rightmost side. It's coming as positive or negative. Always start with the right side. Try this. For first few questions, maybe you'll get something like you have to check. Aram se relax, okay. Don't be hurry. Let's start. Everyone done?
Yes.
Next 2 minutes. 2, 1, 5, 7, 10, right? 10 open, 1 open, okay, take your time, everyone. Put any value greater than 10, positive, 10 minus 2, positive, 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 positive. So this is, everything will be positive, right? Put any value greater than 10, 10 minus 2 is positive, 10 minus 5 is positive, 10 minus 7 is positive, right? So positive. This having even power, so this will be positive again. This is coming as negative. Then again the same thing. Again cross this and going like this. Everyone, do it fast. Try to write down the answer.
So 1, 2 or 7, 10.
Just a minute. I'm writing better. Union 5 is also coming there, right? We have to write down that 5 also. 7 to 10. Union discrete value 5. Union 10 to infinity 10 open. Or you can write this as, right, all the positive portions. Oh, shit. This is the portion, this is the portion, this is the portion. So 1 to 2, union 5, union 7 to infinity, except 10. Right?
Sir,
Or you can
5 के बाद, sir 5 के बाद
5 union 7 to 10, union 10 to infinity. Right? How many of you got the right answer? Please go ahead. This was a tricky one. Arey, wow. Exactly at 5, this will be 0, and this 0 is satisfying there. The 5 is closed now. There's a reason you have to take 5.
अगर 5 ओपन रहता तो
हाँ?
अगर 5 ओपन रहता मतलब नहीं लेते ना.
Obviously 5 open है मतलब it will not there.
Thank you sir.
Okay, everyone. Now इसी में मैं थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन चेंज कर रहा हूं, बट उसमें बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ जाएंगे. सो अगेन यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल, राइट? Do it. Very good, very good. Very good. Let's see now. Number line 1, 2, 5, 7, 10. Open, open, closed, closed, and closed. Right? Any value greater than 10, जानबूझ के मैं दे रहा हूँ कि like you have not to concentrate on that. It's 10 going right. What we required greater than equal to 0 means positive portion, including this portion. 7 is equal to 0, right? So the answer for positive 1 to 5, because 2 is already there, right? Union 7, union 10 to infinity, open, open. How many of you got right? Please write down yes. More than 30, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Anyone want to ask anything in this? Obviously, curly bracket with 7 is it's possibility that you can one more. 11, 7, 5, 6, 4. And this time, this is only greater than 0. Very good, Chinmay. Careful na, it's only greater than 0, not equal to 0 na, everyone. Very good, Chinmay. Very good. Okay. One, 2, 5, 7, 10, 10. All open because वो greater than equality sign तो कहीं है ही, right? Anything side positive, negative, right? We need greater than 2 to 5 union 7 to infinity except 10. How many of you got this? Fast, send me fast. Very good. Chat में ही सब लोग लिख रहे हैं बेटा, chat में ही लिखने हैं. 35-40 लोगों के आ चुके हैं. यस के चक्कर में रस भी लिखा गया है. Very good. Ruzba,
Yes, sir.
getting this one?
सर इतने अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
कहाँ पर नहीं समझ में आया पूछो.
वो नंबर लाइन प्लॉट किया, वो ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले नंबर्स के हिसाब से.
Very good. उसको सबको एक करके 0 पुट करते गया, उसे पुट कर दिया हमने. जिसके ऊपर इवन पावर,
वो सर्कल बनाए ना, वो ओपन वाले, वो कैसे बनाए?
सुनो तो पहले, जिसमें इवन पावर थे उसको 2 बार लिख दिया, जिसमें ऑड पावर थे उसको 1 बार. ठीक है.
हाँ.
ग्रेटर देन 0 है, इक्वलिटी साइन है ही नहीं, इसलिए सब में मैंने ओपन कर दिया. यहाँ भी ठीक है.
हाँ.
ठीक. अब 10 के ऊपर का कोई नंबर सोचो. नंबर बताओ क्या सोचा?
10 के ऊपर का कोई भी.
कोई भी.
और 10 क्यों चूज किया?
है ना, क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है ना 10. सबसे बड़ा नंबर 10 ही है ना.
हाँ.
तो सबसे बड़े नंबर से भी बड़ा नंबर चूज करके देख रहा हूँ कि राइट साइड में साइन पॉजिटिव आएगा या नेगेटिव आएगा.
पॉजिटिव आएगा.
ठीक है. तो पॉजिटिव मतलब ऊपर को पॉजिटिव बोलते हैं, नीचे को नेगेटिव. तो ऊपर से ये बनना शुरू हुआ. 10 पर का पावर इवन है या ऑड है? इवन है. तो जहां पॉजिटिव था तो पॉजिटिव में रह गया. 7 पर पावर इवन है या ऑड है?
ऑड है.
वो नीचे आ गया. 5 पर एक ही बार लिखा है, मतलब ऑड पावर है, चेंज कर गया. 2 पर चेंज कर गया. 1 पर जिस तरफ था उधर ही रह गया. ये बन गया पूरा.
हाँ सर.
ये क्लियर है?
हाँ.
अब मुझे क्या चाहिए? जब जब ऊपर है ये, तो ऊपर जब जब था उसको हम लोगों ने मार्क किया. तो ऊपर इस समय था, इस समय था, इस समय था, सभी को हमने मार्क कर दिया.
हाँ सर.
राइट. तो कौन कौन सा आंसर हुआ? 2 to 5, 7 to infinity. लेकिन 10 यहाँ पर नहीं होगा, इसलिए 10 को हटा दिया. अब समझ में आया?
सर वो सर्कल्स क्यों बनाए हैं वहाँ पे?
वहाँ सर्कल है, ब्लैक वाला जो बना है वो क्या सर्कल?
हाँ.
वो बता रहा है सर्कल की सब ओपन है. अगर इसी में ऐसे करके बनाता मतलब वो क्लोज होता, मतलब उस समय क्लोज ब्रैकेट यूज करते हैं, ऐसा वाला.
तो उससे क्या चेंज होगा?
उससे नंबर वो भी सेटिस्फाई करेगा. यहाँ ओपन का मतलब है वो नंबर, जैसे यहाँ पर 2 पर ओपन है, मतलब एग्जैक्टली 2 इसको सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. 2 से जस्ट बड़ा वाला नंबर इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है.
मतलब उसमें वो लाइन में कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा ना, सिर्फ वो इक्वेशन में डिफरेंस आएगा.
इक्वेशन में डिफरेंस आएगा.
तो मुझे डाउट है.
एक मिनट, ये पहले इसको कंप्लीट कर लें. रुजबा क्लियर है बेटा?
सर वो डॉट्स कैसे मार्क करना है?
कौन सा डॉट?
वो क्लोज रहेगा या ओपन रहेगा?
जब ग्रेटर देन साइन है, इक्वलिटी साइन नहीं है तो सब ओपन रहेगा. इक्वलिटी साइन है तो न्यूमरेटर वाला क्लोज रहेगा.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. हाँ, किसी और का डाउट आ रहा था प्लीज?
हाँ समझे. सर जो हम लोग 7 से कम वैल्यू लेंगे तो फिर x-7 वाले ब्रैकेट में नेगेटिव होगा, x-5 वाले में पॉजिटिव, x-2 वाले में पॉजिटिव, फिर नीचे डिनोमिनेटर चेक करते x-1 वाले में पॉजिटिव, और फिर x-10 में नेगेटिव. तो वो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो वो पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए ना.
वैसे चेक मत करना, बट मैं बता दूं x-10 का इवन पावर है तो वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा.
अरे हाँ 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 बराबर. ओके.
डोंट चेक, अपने पर भरोसा रख. Don't check. Not,
अरे नहीं सर, वो मुझे एक बार कंफर्मेशन के लिए चेक कर दो.
but not required to check, na?
Okay
This
sir.
is already this is the method, like we have already proven this thing. So that's the reason we are applying this, na? So no need to check every time. One more last question for Ruzba,
Yes sir.
right? So everyone,
सर एक
careful.
और डाउट था.
हाँ पूछ लो.
वो साइन कौन सा था? एक तो यूनियन था और दूसरा वाला कौन सा था?
नेगेशन. जो हटाना होता है उस वैल्यू को नहीं लेना है तो उसको यूज करते हैं नेगेशन.
ओके सर.
Simple question. Done. Done, everyone. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, start. Number line 1 2 times, 2 1 time, 5 2 times, 7 2 times, 10 1 time, right? Any number greater than 10, so positive, negative, then negative, then negative, positive, then positive. We required positive, so this, and open close थोड़ा सा देख लेता हूँ अब. Exactly at 2 this will be closed, at 5 closed, at 7 closed, and other two values 1 and 10 it's open. रुज़बा
हाँ सर.
ऐसा बना है तेरा?
हाँ आ गया सर।
वेरी गुड। तो आंसर लिखूं अब, माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 1 यूनियन 1 to 2।
सर माइनस इन्फिनिटी क्यों?
ये इधर से आ रहा है ना, माइनस इन्फिनिटी से इस तरफ से आ
अच्छा,
रहा
और
है।
वो साइड वाला इन्फिनिटी हो जाएगा राइट में।
हाँ राइट वाला इन्फिनिटी, राइट। माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 1, 1 पर ओपन इसलिए ओपन में रखा, राइट। अप टू 2, 2 पर क्लोज है, इक्वल टू साइन ले रहा है इसलिए क्लोज रखा। यूनियन 5 यूनियन 7, 5 और 7 को एक साथ भी मैं लिख सकता हूँ। 7 दोनों कर्ली ब्रैकेट, यूनियन 10 to इन्फिनिटी, ये दोनों को ओपन रखा। इज इट ओके? Soumya, very good. How many of you got the right thing? Okay. अरे वाह, very good. I guess okay, done. Chalo, very good. Almost you got the things, right? ठीक है, तो what you have to do, my homework, right? Mathematical homework भी मैं दूंगा ना. What is this mathematical homework you have to see? Careful, right? And all you have to send me in my the 4 questions are there. 1 greater than 0, second is greater than 0, third is less than equal to 0, fourth is thus. For what? A, B, C, D, E. First question. A, B, C, D, E. E for even, right? O for odd. ये right? 6 into 4, 24 questions. मैथमेटिकल तरीके से क्वेश्चन दे दिया आपको. यू आर गेटिंग ना कि व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
Yep,
Right?
sir.
Powers are even or odd, ये given है, and all the 4 signs are also. Yes, Ruzba?
सर वो साइन दूसरी तरफ होगा तो लेस देन वाला साइन होगा
तो लेस देन का मतलब क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव? लेस देन 0 का मतलब
नेगेटिव।
नेगेटिव जब आ रहा होगा वो उसे हम लोगों को लिखना पड़ेगा.
तो नेगेटिव से शुरू करना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, नेगेटिव से शुरू नहीं करना पड़ेगा, वो तो जैसा आ रहा है वो खुद ही आएगा ना. नेगेटिव से शुरू नहीं करना पड़ेगा, जिस समय नेगेटिव आया है वो आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा. आपने मान लो उसको स्टार्ट किया, राइट, ये आया पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव, फिर ऐसा आया मान लो ना. तो ये पॉजिटिव आया, नेगेटिव आया, पॉजिटिव आया, नेगेटिव आया, पॉजिटिव आया, पॉजिटिव आया. अब मेरे को दिया हुआ था लेस देन 0, राइट. तो मेरे को ये वाला पोर्शन और ये वाला पोर्शन को मेरे को आंसर में लिखना पड़ेगा.
ओके सर.
ठीक है.
सर एक बार प्रीवियस पेज पे जाना.
पेज पे जाओ.
सर 5th और 6th के लिए 0 का साइन क्या है?
हैं? 0 का साइन मतलब
मतलब ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 है कि
बेटा चारों है।
सर ऊपर जो इक्वेशन है उसके लिए पांचों पांच है ना, एक इक्वेशन के लिए?
हाँ 6 ना बेटा।
हाँ सर सच है।
ठीक है।
सर फर्स्ट और फोर्थ क्वेश्चन सेम है।
फोर्थ सेम आ गया क्या? एक को मैं चेंज कर दूंगा ना, फोर्थ में इवन बीच में कर दिया। ओके
यस
सर।
Thank you, sir.
चलो थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
बाय सर, थैंक यू सर।
बाय बाय।
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
बाय सर, थैंक
बाय।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
यू सर।
बाय। क्या सिद्धि?
सर ये क्वेश्चन हमको वेव बना के सॉल्व नहीं करने हैं।
वेब बना के करने हैं?
अच्छा आपने बोला मैथमेटिकली, मतलब
वेब बना के, वेब बना के।
अच्छा ठीक है। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।